From the street, it keeps its silence. Just walls, shadow, tall grasses catching the afternoon. It doesn't announce itself. It never needed to. But step inside, and there's a tree. We built everything around what couldn't be built. Sky, time, the slow drift of light across stone. The vines found their own way down. We let them. That felt right, knowing when to stop deciding, when to let the living things lead. Every room faces what matters. You eat beside the courtyard, the olive tree framed like something you'd carry with you. You cook while the garden watches through dark stone and warm wood. At night, light rises from below, and the whole patio breathes differently, quieter, closer, like a conversation that doesn't need words. This place doesn't release you the moment you arrive. It slows you,